This new 2023 Ford F-150 Platinum is in stock and available. It is powered by a dual-motor extended-range battery engine and a single-speed transmission. It is finished in agate black metallic paint and includes Max Trailer Tow Package. This F-150 has 22-inch bright machined with ebony black painted pockets wheels. The interior features black medium dark slate cabin premium Nirvana leather, seating surface bucket front seats with black tuxedo stripes. The infotainment system includes B&O sound system unleashed by Bang & Olufsen with 18 speakers including subwoofer. Contact Ford to learn more about this 2023 F-150 today.